Birthday message for boyfriend. Congratulations, my love. Beautiful birthday statement for boyfriend. I like everything in you. Your hands on me, your smile, your look when you meet mine. I don't know how to define everything you can do in my heart. But I know that's all I want for the rest of my life. Nothing is more important than having you with me. No one has ever aroused my feelings at the same time. It is something different, and however much time passes, these feelings become bigger and deeper. When we are far from each other, I still feel his presence, his perfume. Even if I get distracted by other things, I wait for the moment to meet you again. Maybe, speaking like this sounds like a fairy tale. I know that we have our differences and that sometimes this is cause for conflict, but even in these moments I love you because we always understand each other, and that feeling of emptiness ends in the same instant, because we are unique and we know very well what we want. I am making you this declaration of love because today is your birthday, and I would like you to know why I wish you so much happiness. It is not just a matter of custom to congratulate someone on the day of the birthday. In my case, it is my sincere wish that you can have everything you dream of and can look at your life and feel happy with what you see. My love, I find it hard to have anyone in this world who loves you more than I do. Much health, much peace and joy. Congratulations on your birthday, my love. Congratulations. With affection, beautiful happy birthday message for boyfriend.